everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Bendigo online banking account. If you've forgotten your password during login into Bendigo bank account online, then here's how to get back to your password. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in bendigobank.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, go and click the login button, but make sure that you've selected e-banking from the drop down. And once you click on login, this will open up a new tab taking you to the login area. Go ahead and type in your access ID in the first text box and click on the next button. On the next page, it will ask you for your password. If you don't remember the password during login in, you can simply click on this I forgot my password link beneath and follow through the on-screen prompts. Enter your access ID in the first text box. On the next field, type in your date of birth information. Make sure that your date of birth and access ID matches the records on your bank account. In the mobile number text box, type in your mobile number that is registered with your Bendigo online banking account and finally click on the submit button in order to end up in the next page. Once you click on submit, your identity will be verified with the help of the credentials that you've just provided, and it'll ask you to change to a new password on the next page. Simply go ahead and enter the new password you would want to reset to in order to get access back to your online banking account. That is how you can easily reset your password for your Bendigo online banking account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.